A. Find the definite integral going from -3 to 0 of x dx, and B. Estimate the definite integral going from -3 to 4 of x dx, and we are giving of x to the right, and also we are giving the area going from x equal to 3 to 5 by the red A. Now the definite integral -3 to 0 of x dx going to be the area under the curve or above the curve. Here notice that our interval going from -3 to 0, and then I'm gonna take that area on the side. Then I'm gonna notate our x-axis and y-axis. Now notice the definite integral again, it's the area under the curve or above the curve. Here of x is negative. Therefore, when we take the definite integral, it's going to be negative the area of this shape. Therefore, I'm going to find the area, and then the definite integral is going to be negative of that area. So this shape consists of 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. Therefore, the definite integral is going to be the area of a triangle, and then plus area of rectangle, plus an area of another triangle. And that are the shapes. Here I'm gonna put the dimensions with the base and the height, both of them going to be 1, and then actually our rectangle going to be a square, and the same dimension for the last rectangle going to be as the first one. So the area of the triangle going to be half multiplied by base by height, both of them here at 1, and then area of square going to be 1 by 1, and then area of the triangle going to be half multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, which is the base by height. This is going to be equal to half plus 1 plus half, and that resulting area going to be 2. Again, the definite integral going to be negative since the area is below the x-axis. Therefore, it's going to be negative 2. Now, B. Estimate the definite integral going from -3 to 4 of x dx. So the first step is to notate our interval. It's going to be from -3 to 4. Notice here, -3 to 0, I'm gonna mark that to be A1, and then from 0 to 3, I'm gonna mark that to be A2. Then we are giving the area from 3 to 5 by red A. So the definite integral going to be a composite of the integrals here. So the first is going to be from -3 to 0 of x dx, and then going to be by this one going to be from -0 to 3 of x dx, and then half of that area going from 3 to 5. So going to be half, and then the definite integral from 3 to 5 of x dx. Now, since a1 is below the x-axis, is going to be -a for the first definite integral, and then since the second definite integral is going to be above the x-axis, it's going to be positive a2, and then plus half, and then the area under the x-axis, therefore gonna be -a. Now, noting here that a1 and a2 actually has the same area. Therefore, when we have subtract these two areas, it results in 0. Therefore, going to be 0 and then minus half multiplied by a, and we will have this as the resulting of the definite integral going from -3 to 4 of x dx.